friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Sauteed couscous with leeks and edamame bean, one of my all-time favorite dishes. Let's take a look onto the ingredients. Chopped leeks. Leeks look like green onion or scallions but have milder, sweeter flavor. Edamame bean. It's a young soybean, most popular plant-based food with various health benefits. Chopped multicolored pepper. Chopped carrots. Chopped cilantro. Pearl or Israeli couscous. To cook couscous, heat a pan, add 3 cups of water. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add couscous. Stir. Cover and cook on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove cover, fluff cooked couscous gently and set it aside. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add chopped leeks. Saute for 3 minutes. Add carrots. Multicolored pepper. Edamame bean. Saute for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add roasted garlic powder, ground black pepper, salt to taste. Mix well and cook for a minute. Veggies are cooked well. It's time to add in our cooked couscous. Mix well carefully without breaking the couscous. Toss in chopped cilantro. Mix well. Transfer to serving dish. Enjoy sauteed couscous with leeks and edamame bean, warm or at room temperature. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!